Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. So in this video I am going to create this Bengali traditional look which is an ideal look for Poilaboishakh, and I want to wish you all happy Poilaboishakh in advance. And I know you guys gonna love the tutorial, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. So starting the tutorial by prepping up my skin with Garnier Vitamin C Serum. It is a bright complete booster serum. It helps to reveal your real bright skin in just 3-4 days if you use it on daily basis. As a primer, today I am using Sweet's Beauty pre-makeup base. It has a beautiful illuminating shine. For foundation, today I am using PAC HD liquid foundation. It provides full coverage and stays for longer time. And here I am using two concealers. One is a medium tone concealer and one is a fair tone concealer. And mix करके इसका effect, इसका final result बहुत beautiful आएगा. For blush, here I'm using She Glam blush. It's a liquid blush and blends like a butter. To set my whole base, here I'm using Inside Cosmetics HD Photo Finish loose powder. Now filling up my eyebrows with Morphe eyebrow pomade. Applying some bronzer from Benefit Hoola bronzer. For blush, here I am using PAC Spotlight newly launched blush. For eye makeup, I always go for neutral palettes, and today I am using Sugar Cosmetics Blend Eyeshadow Palette 01 Flawless. मैंने बहुत ही बेसिक सा एंड न्यूट्रल सा आई मेकअप किया है, उसके साथ विंग लाइनर अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, देन काजल. For mascara, here I am using Nykaa Like It Long mascara. To lock my base makeup, here I am using MAC Fix Plus Spray. Using Ofra highlighter, it provides a beautiful subtle glow, a natural glow on face. For lipstick, here I am using a beautiful red shade from Mama Earth Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's a beautiful red shade. And here's the final look. Just look at my base, it's looking so much flawless. Adding a bindi to complete the look. It's a beautiful flawless Bengali traditional look. And here I'm completing my look by wearing a beautiful red and white sari with matching jewelries, bindi and everything, all that. So here's the final look. It's an ideal look for Poilaboishakh. So that's all for today. I have shared a very quick tutorial of this look and I hope you guys like the look very much. Do like this video and comment your views in the comment section and share this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.